PNG. Clean PNGs. Get free clean PNGs. So hello everyone, I'm Ramruwat from Creativity, and today I am going to be showing you how to get clean free PNGs for whatever stuff that you work on, maybe Illustrator or maybe in Photoshop, your brand, your logo or whatever, even your thumbnail, even your projects, Word file, article, anything. You can use it for anything. So how do I get free clean PNGs? So if you go to so please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so you could go to Google and then write, maybe bird PNG. So you get some, you might get some that are really good and whatnot, but most of the time the quality might not be that good, and sometimes it's just not really PNG. As you can see, this has the checker background, and if you go and if you download it, you'll still see the checker marks, but it's not really that high quality. It's 360. So if you want so for example, this one is pretty high quality and also good PNG and very clear, but you won't get clear all the time. And even if you go to let's say tools and then size, go to large, yeah, you might get some really good large files, but it might still have the checker background and not really PNG. So yeah, so how do you get free clean PNGs which are which has a large resolution and very clear image? So how do you get that? So what you could do, so I'm going to be writing the link here, and also the link is also going to be present in the description of the YouTube video. So yeah, I'm going to write cleanpng.com. So as soon as I write that, I get a website which has a lot of, as we can see, there's a calendar, there's a washing hand, it's coronavirus, surgical mask and whatnot. So yeah, so you can even get great quality PNGs, very clean. Let's go here. As you can see, it's really clean, and you just go here and download the image. You'll get the sign really good. And also coronavirus, yeah, there's some great high quality images right here. So if you download it, it's going to be even clearer. Okay, and also, for example, I showed you with the bird example in Google Images. So if I go to bird here, if I click on here, you can see the high quality here. That's really good quality. And it's not showing the full quality in the preview in here. If you want to see the full quality, you have to go to click preview. Okay, it's taking a bit of time. Yeah, as you can see, it's taking a bit of time to load because it's the full quality picture that it was written down below. So yeah, it's a full quality, very clear, as you can see, crystal clear. And so yeah, if you want to download it, just free download, click on download, and then it's gonna download, and I'll just let it download for the time being. Alright, it's downloaded, so let's click on the image. As you can see, it's super clear. I mean, look at that clarity. Wow. Yeah. So yeah, you could basically get a lot of different images that might not show in Google Images. So yeah, this really comes in handy if you're doing promotional stuff for your business, or even if you want to make some type of cartoons and whatnot, even for videos, promotional videos, business images, posters and whatnot, you could always come here, search the thing you want. For example, I'm just going to search football maybe, and then it's gonna show you a lot of stuff, footballs, players and whatnot, stadium. So this has a lot of images and these are all free and clean PNGs. No checkered background when you download them, just like the bird that I showed you. So yeah, get your free clean PNGs right here from this website. The link will be given in the description. So thank you guys for watching, and also please do like, share and subscribe and comment if you want to learn more. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.